Alpaca? Think the man was teasing the alpaca. Alpaca wants to hit the man. What? He wants to hit you. Hey, 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 a donkey. It's a horse. They're laughing. They're showing us the teeth. Think a cat sitting girl and confused are looking for a mouse. There's a cute mouse on the head of the cute cat. What is this? Think it's anteater eating something food with his tongue. Wow, think it's a dangerous animal. Wow. The hippo? It's big animal, it's too big. Look at the horn on his nose. The dog eating grapes. Okay, this boy teasing the, oh shit, the monkey hit the boy. Kids I was thinking that it's trying to take on the fish. Oh shit. Hey, big dog, don't tease the cat. Okay. The dog wants to take on the man, but the man is playing with the dog. What game is this? There's a lot of buffalo. 3 or 4 men. Oh, attack on the man. Oh shit. Hit the man on the head. The mouse knows how to steal the money. Look at the mouse. Open the bag. Enter into the bag. Oh my god. This is how the mouse is very dangerous for money. Hey, what's the cow wants to? Oh no, oh shit. Oh my god. Wow, there's a lot of ham. These men are feeding the hen. It's the hen farms. Look like a golden. What's the girls are doing with the horse? Hey, a naughty girl. Naughty girl playing with the horse. Okay. Oh my god, the big camel attack on the donkey. Oh shit. Hey donkey, the donkey also fighting with the big camel. Hey girl, be careful. Hey.
No.
What? Oh, very naughty girl. I think the cat is hungry and wants to some food. But the girls are making some food for the cat. Hey, I want your attention. The cat wants some attention. Hey girls, give him some feed.